Rob?
Yeah, there's not much to check actually. We're in one of these phases where the weather's very, very quiet. Big anticyclone, area of high pressure just sitting on a massive cloud, and we're underneath it. So for most of us, that's the picture. Cloudy and dry. There are, or at least there have been, one or two exceptions, one of which is about to appear behind you. This is the picture over Belfast. It represents a lot of Northern Ireland from about 2 hours ago. But I have to say, even here, the cloud is coming in. It's also over Northern Ireland and Scotland where the wind today, tonight and tomorrow is increasing and for a time might even touch gale force around the fringes, through the Minches, for example. And that's one reason why the clouds are allowed to break open and show some sunshine in the northeast of Scotland. But, you know, I've gone through today, we're into tonight now, and little has changed. A big blanket of cloud. One of the advantages, of course, in October of cloud is you don't get a frost. So tonight's temperatures, though fairly low, aren't going to be low enough for that. And we start the day off tomorrow in a very similar vein. Overnight, the pressure would have pushed the cloud down onto the hills. We start off with fog again over the North York Moors, maybe the Vale of York, even over the flatlands from, say, Norfolk right back to Cambridgeshire and beyond to the East Midlands and across the Chilterns. Well, that was much the same as this morning, to be honest. You get drizzle out of that sort of stuff. You get drizzle out of it in the southwest of England, and again, that's only stopped fairly recently, so expect the same sort of start during Friday. Things aren't very keen to change. There's still a breeze, and you'll notice 20 miles an hour from the south might again break up the cloud to some degree in Northern Ireland during Friday. But it's not a big change, and we've still got that rain you may have noticed sitting out here and wiggling around, but it ain't going to stay there forever. Although it won't move very much during Friday, except maybe touching the Outer Hebrides, and there is a greater chance of a bit more sunshine coming through here and there, North Wales, north coast of southwest England, you know, north coast of Devon, for example, and temperatures might be a little up. You won't find it a vastly better day. But Saturday, you probably will. That rain will not stay where it is during the weekend. It's really determined to move, and it will be a very wet day in western Scotland, Cumbria and Wales during Saturday. The wind not especially strong, but noticeably stronger. The rain eventually reaching London just about as a weak feature end of the day. But on Sunday, different picture altogether. Whilst rain band one's gone out of the way, we sit here waiting for the big storm, the winding up depression with close isobars, so wind and rain. So as you can see, after our anticyclonic gloom of today and tomorrow, the weekend is rather different. Though I have to say, for a good part of the southern half of the UK, even the weekend gets away with no more than a spot or two of rain and stirred up skies with a bit of sunshine. So there you are, Darren.